Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the black alloy wheels, all unmarked and in excellent condition. We also have the wide arch kit as well, with the black exterior paintwork, the daytime running headlights. We also have the Ford on the front grille just there as well. We have the front lower nudge bar in black again. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side steps along the bottom, with the WILDTRAK stickers as well at the bottom of the front doors. We also have the grey door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows, the privacy glass for the rear passengers, wind deflectors as well. We have the light bar up top along with the roof rails. We also have the rear load bay cover just there. We also have the rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear tow bar, as you can see again in black. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a quick look at the interior. So inside of here you find that we have the half leather interior. We have the foldable armrests in the centre, with the black and the orange, fixed ISO points as well. Brushed metal door handles with the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, the half leather interior. We have the WILDTRAK logo embroidered as well on these front seats. Both the front seats are heated and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, controlled just down there. Again on the doors, the electric windows, we have the orange stitching with the leather as well. The auto lights, we have the electric windows just there. A multifunctional steering wheel which has the cruise control and the speed limiter. Two digital screens either side of the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.